Hello friends, we are here with another video of IGCSE February March 2024 paper 4. In question number 12, the examiner asked from you the diagram shows a circle of radius 12. This is radius. If this is 12, this line is also 12 centimeter because the radius of a circle is always the same. With a sector removed, this is a sector which he has taken out. Calculate the perimeter of remaining shaded area. This is actually the shaded area. You have to calculate the perimeter. The perimeter involves the following things. First of all, you have to find this dotted boundary with two radius. 12 plus 12 will be 24, while you have to calculate the length of this dotted line in order to get the whole of parameter. First of all, you will calculate the length. This is formula based question, so it will be easy if you recall the formula first. Length of arc, the formula is theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Here one thing you have to calculate, that is the interior angle. If the exterior angle is 50, you have to calculate this whole angle. How you will calculate this angle? The whole angle of a circle is 360. You will simply minus this 50 from 360 in order to get the required interior angle, that is 310 degree. So substitute the values over here. The value of theta for the shaded region is 310 by 360 multiply 2 pi. Value of r is 12 as given in a question. On solving this in calculator, you will get the answer 62 pi by 3. Here you have to find out whole of the perimeter. You have calculated the perimeter of this dotted line, that is 62 pi by 3, while this perimeter also involves 2 radius. So the total perimeter will be calculated in this way. Perimeter is equals to twice time of radius, that is 12 plus 12, along with the length of this arc, that is 62 pi by 3. When you will calculate this on calculator, after putting the value of pi, that is 22 by 7 or 3.14, you will get the answer as 88.9 cm. This was formula based question. Now let's move toward the second part of the question. The diagram in a part A that is shown on a board show that the top of the cylindrical cake with a slice removed, the volume of the cake that remains 3510. This is the volume of the cake given by the examiner. What he is asking to find you, calculate the height of the cake. Here you also have to apply the formula. First of all, you have to find out the area of a sector. This is the sector. So you are having the formula over here as area of sector, that is theta by 360 degree multiply pi r square, that is area of a circle. Substitute the values over here. 310 by 360 multiply pi multiply 12 square. After calculating it, you will get the answer 124 pi. But here you have to find out what? You have to find out the height of the cake as per demand of examiner. So use the formula for volume. Volume is equals to area of a sector multiply by height. The volume is given by examiner as this 3510, while the area of sector you have already calculated above, that is 124 pi, and let us denote the height as h. Okay, simply you have to calculate 3510 by 124 pi in your calculator, and you will get the answer as 9.01 centimeter. This is basically the height of the cake, which was the demand of examiner from you Hopefully you have understood the question. Thank you for watching the video.